Lord, I'm tired of being on the same place. I'm tired of doing the same things. I'm tired of being on the same place. I'm tired of doing the same thing. Enlarge my territory. Enlarge my territory. Yeah. Enlarge my territory. Oh, enlarge my territory. It's gotta be more. It's gotta be more. It's gotta be more in you.
My testimony is going like this. Ndali ndino problema katu viteme megumbo.
I was having a problem of misunderstanding in our house.
Makwali no kuli ndako kanino furaza ko 2019 December.
I got married 2019 December.
Mara kuzamono twakara ngana likatu viteme mara kucha koni ma kundaza okubai kuna umetapia ganegenji.
We have been not understanding each other, but there was someone behind that.
Po shito hokana kandi mono kucha ndakara ndu chanda rombere frita kucha. Baby, don't do this, I don't like it. Utamano kucha no nenga etimboli mokweka ndi kujita nokuli kucha no itoiko ngereka ka.
Sometimes I even avoid him to come to church.
Atakarani yako njitanji kucha baby tuwe kongereka no andiko ka kongereka shkwenda konge shimona.
She have been forcing me to come to church, and I said I will not go to church because what I wanted I got it.
Oh, yetakarani ya kongereka mara kandirike mbeke.
She have been coming to church while I'm home.
But the
problem was
to provide everything in the house.
She was the only one who would provide everything in the house.
Mandali diri kuch otima wanjeka uvikena wanande ali akarake no problem akucha iha force anjedikale ndidasha megumbo,
whereby I was not feeling well, even though it was not a problem to her. Sometimes I used just to be quiet because it's difficult. You are married,
but you provide everything.
But you are just there. You can't provide anything, only the wife.
The means
they get in the house. You need to give everything in the house. It has been tough for me because the child needs nappies. Rending needs to be paid.
The
rending for the place we stay and for the salon. What has been troubling me more so that I lose even peace.
Mane kwali kucha shiri kunga tashifike jemon timakucha muto familia ilipeketa itikucha leo kulege kushimba talipima liwaka na kitu.
Is that when they call him from home, she used to answer that everything is just on my shoulder, which make me pain because I think the family says Leonard is just there eating the money of our child. Whereby I'm already thinking about divorcing. Because it won't help anything.
olimono omukugado egete moshe keshe shimwe megumbo nde mushine kucha mashiwana otapo pishike.
Then you don't know what people are saying.
Mane kandi hole kukara kucha onu ye hati kucha amuna apopye maranga kandi hole okupopi waka.
She used to say people must talk, but me I don't like to be talked about.
Ya natango oshino kucha ethiboli motuli ke mondu pombe tina etwarara.
Sometimes we are just sleeping on the bed.
Ya maandiki hadha andirara na Frida marayo monjodi andirara na maro tulipo beti mwenaye.
Whereby I used to be attacked by a spiritual wife with her image.
Mane no kura karombiranje kucha pamwe opuna makoni mahuwaza ke koma kwa tatharo opo hole huwaza puna umwe weninganai.
Whereby she also told me that maybe there is somewhere where you were before, whereby disappoint someone who were in a relationship with.
And then yamukuranda tinga
I
anga
answered
eshe bandali nayo
all of them that I was with them.
odiathika pike moro kuihumbata kwa uko nai.
I left them because of their behavior.
No kuli ngundashuguli naye okwakara huranje mara kakuti timboli mota tarundire njeke kuchonde chitinga mara inandi chitinga.
Even this one that I and the last one, he always mocked me.
No kule timboli wenge ngonde nyamukura yotata mekukutuka nje na akuru.
Even sometimes he used to insult me with parents when I answer him.
Mandaka manane kucha no itandi vurukutsikira na ngweye inda ike nenjira dhenga ndinyo danji.
Whereby just let her go.
Ya opona kuranje kucha kandi na matandi na keshe hutandi ini mita ikarana otatulire njo mazimba beziko oshi mashikandu vite kutokutuliro mazimba beziko oshiki.
Whereby she said I will not go anywhere, things will not go well.
Okay, nga Frida shati kucha pamona huwaza waninge puko ngandi tamono kucha dengeri ko nungushi kuchoko kulera kandono mundengere ko ngodi nde topo mbiri.
She said just call that person and then say sorry to her.
Ondendengera
I call her.
Ya ndi karandimu andi purom adiminenje pomhanda ngana yi.
I asked her to forgive me where I did wrong.
Ya nokonima okwakitira mara okwakatumina SMS kuchangaye okwali olumelu wae wongara mwenyo yae.
She accepted later, but later she sent an SMS that I was to be his husband in life.
Nokonima ne ondaka mongo dia yongurukadhi wanje.
Later I went in my wife's phone
And then get Apostle Junior.
I called Apostle Senior.
And
I told him
kucha no
that no,
ondahalo divorce.
I want a divorce.
Yotamono kucha no ondapumbo kumumona.
He said I want to see you. I have to see you.
No koni moteke o Frida wakacha no na tuye kwa Apostle Junior.
Then later Frida said we must go to Apostle Senior.
Atuyako
we came.
Marokucha na tango kandalinde shitera ndaike ndina kucha no,
but still I was not believing.
I have to do this.
Pale kende wote kucho ndino kuningaishi.
Opuo no konima andika dhengerane o brother Saki.
Then later I called brother Saki.
Oshali etiali.
It was on Tuesday.
Etiali otamono kucha no.
Then he said,
Ondara ndipopena nyamushi.
I want to talk to you all.
Yotapo pinase.
Then he talked to us.
My wife akwaninga kucha no. Natelewe shatokurapo oshoike na ninge inandi halali.
Umpukadi wango okwati whatsoever Leonard have decided, let's just be like that. I don't want anymore.
I'm okay. No problem. That is like a tapo na me kucha no. tate leo natuilika neke atuta ontonjo tunokons before ni atuta mekukwilika na kujanina viometitano.
Brother Saki told me to pray so that we can defeat the children from that day until Friday.
Osonda hande yaku
Sunday when I was here,
ondainda kalontumbape
I was sitting there.
malo kuchefikolonga wakakwarandi turu kufika maka
But that day I could not stand even.
mute osevesa yeke atamekele ndirie iko ntumba mara eshindirio ntumba ondalika andilikana chashinda jakumbo ndachako ndarandi andindiro forgiveness of freedom mara freedom kwa cheko kwa dimi nangepo mara natango kuna iko shima shiriko ntima kuchaye ina halali.
In the whole service, I was just sitting there praying.
Eshindeke ya mongere kandi mono kucha today
When I come to church,
itandishuna kumbo inandimono te deliverance ainga.
I said I'm not going to home and shout my deliverance.
When you believe, just the matter is faith, man. You proceed.
Po ndatame kukwilika na ndiyo tumbapo.
I began to pray while I'm sitting there.
Eshishanuka pone oshonini mwanasho.
I did not see what happened.
Okwali nokuli ndino problem ainya shandili mumbo ndo ndentala ondakala ndafa ondeka ndikalanda fina ndialo kuntala nokuli nandipumbweki.
I was also having a problem that when we are in the house, I don't want even to see my wife.
Shike ndatimo ndandiko ponje
Once
dake ndamweke ondilieke nawana mala shaika ndalu kile andipiteke monvero umbonga
but as I'm coming back in the house,
ini maisho ya oya shenja kandilia lingashi ndali ndilikonje ngai
everything is changed.
po afikolonga onde akungawe kujaponga ho inisha kenegalo shima shafa inidwa alio mtotandi niko andinangala na emofi.
From that day, I've never dreamed about a spiritual wife.
Aishe paife oilinawa. Esha ishpandurire kita kalungashi.
I will thank God for this.
Sasho kwali efimboli mokwali nokuli andipula anditikucha anotate otakuti kalungo kweli hanyamukulano nefimbola opala kunyani tanyamukulangi.
Sometimes I have to ask myself that God answers with His own time.